Hello, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good night to people from different parts of the world. We are starting the third General Assembly of Addiction Medicine Societies within the International Society for Addiction Medicine. My name is Hamad. I'm the chair of the Regional Council, and I would like to kind of welcome everybody from different parts of the world and say Ramadan Kareem to our Muslim friends here in the meeting, and also sweet Passover to our Jewish friends, and also basically happy Easter to our Christian friends here. And that is the excitement that we have in ISAM, to have people from different countries around the world collaborating and helping each other to see how we can deal with global problems in the field of addiction medicine, addiction treatment. So hopefully that will be the plan and the discussion for the next 150 minutes of the meeting, discussing about the things that we are doing at the global level and the collaborations that we are promoting. So the first two speakers who are going to welcome you are Alex and Hamad, ISAM president and ISAM president-elect. Alex, please.
Thank you very much. And Hamad and team, it's very incredible. And I'm very, very impressed the way, all of this is being organized. And I only have a couple of minutes, but in a way it's to remind us what the vision of the International Society of Addiction Medicine. It's a very straightforward, simple vision. And that's really trying to achieve global excellence in the field of addiction medicine. But that's not, it's easier said than done. We try to do this, through our mission by empowering addiction healthcare providers. But that as well, needs a concept, a framework around being an international community. But being an international community without any values is really not the way forward for us. So I'll just remind everyone here, affiliated societies or not affiliated societies, that we embrace the following values, and they are very important. They're at the core of what we do. And this Third General Assembly is a testament of that. We embrace innovation in a rapidly changing world. We embrace respect of different people having different views around the topic of addiction medicine. We embrace excellence in the delivery of what we do, whatever we do. We embrace, and this is again a testament, collaboration at different levels. And we embrace learning, and last but not least, diversity. And that is, I think the last is the most important thing, is that as we become more international, we need to embrace more diversity, irrespective of creed, religion, models of care, etc., etc. And I'll hand over to my friend and colleague Hamad to continue the introduction.
Great, thanks a lot, Alex, as a president, and excellent job, Hamad, in having, we say, mashallah, having all of those, expertise around all over the world to join us. I always say the ISAM family. At the end of the day, as been mentioned by ISAM President Alex, that we work within rules and regulations, and we work with the vision and mission of visions and a strategy that we always, been done and been implemented. And thanks for you and your team, Hamad, for involving in the first strategy to be done within the ISAM, which we say it in another word, we build it together, we work it together, and we execute it together. So in addition to the point mentioned by Alex, I think one of the major things we also work with our colleagues in the ISAM is to upgrading the systems. We help, we help ourselves, we help our communities, we help the humanities in building up a better service to be provided for our patients. At the end of the day, we are all serving individuals, serving communities, humanity. And thanks a lot for being with us in the ISAM family within the leadership of Hamad and Alex. And hopefully that your contribution won't be only to the regional site, but it will be also delivering to all over the globe. Thanks a lot from my side. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Alex and Hamad, for the introduction.